Hello, everyone. It is a pleasure to meet you virtually. My name is Caroline Crisp, and I am a last semester senior here at Iowa State University studying mechanical engineering. Something interesting about me is that even though I go to Iowa State University, I'm originally from Louisiana, and I will be moving back down there after graduation. A couple of points about my research that I would like to introduce you to is that I have had the pleasure of working in Dr. Ming Chen Shu's fluid structure interaction lab since the second semester of my freshman year. And I've had the opportunity of working on two medical related projects that are specifically within the heart during my time in the lab. One being a tricuspid valve model, the second being a transcatheter aortic valve replacement model. And with both of those models, I've had the opportunity to parameterize them and conduct further research. I think that both of these projects are important just because they're medical applications, and these types of projects can be transformative to the medical community as it offers them insight into simulation results and potentially what those models may act like in real life scenarios. Learn more about me and my research by watching me speak at Posters on the Hill on April 26th and 27th, 2022. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure, and I look forward to sharing more about my research then.